Have you ever told someone to do something in a step-by-step process? For example, making a cup of tea. That is exactly how programming works, and Python is one of the easiest programming languages to follow this process. My name is Olakunle Oluwatobiloba, a software development student at Atibian Tech Academy, and I would love to introduce you into Python, one of the most easiest programming language in the world. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language used for web development, automation, data analysis, artificial intelligence, as we know as AI, and it is designed to be simple and readable, almost like English, to the extent a child could understand it. What makes Python so popular is a go-to language for beginners, yet powerful enough for Google, Netflix, and NASA to use. Bringing Python into a real-life analogy. For example, you got a robot and you want to tell the robot to boil water for you. Firstly, you have to tell the robot to get a cup or a pot, then put a water inside the pot. After that, put it on the gas, for example. Then after that, once it's boiled to a certain level, so you remove it and put it in a cup and use it for whatever you want to use. So that is exactly how programming works, and it is a step-by-step process whereby you work on, and every step-by-step process is always important to use. I would love to dig into a bit into the practical aspect of Python. Let's go. So first I will start by giving a variable name, then is equals to input into a bracket of string. One thing you should know is that string is one of the important things in Python, or even in web development in general. So string of what is your name, then question mark, space, under it print, into a bracket, a, then comma, sorry, like I said, string is important, a comma space, plus name space string, then space welcome to name space string, then space welcome to Python. Plus, yeah. So first it asks for my name. I'll insert my name to Tobiloba. Then as you can see, it's printed out Tobiloba, welcome to Python. So the functions of this are, first you have the input here, whereby it makes you put in a message or a text. So the input here is one allowing us to insert our text, while the print is one generating out the result. This is how simple Python is, or even programming is. So just in 2 lines, I've already generated a Python code which generates out a sentence with a name. To round this up, I would love to let you know that Python in a nutshell is fun, simple, and powerful to learn. Also, it is also used in backend. As a backend developer, you have to start as a first step with Python. Thank you.